I am currently a beta tester for Bike On and the CycleClick power meter. Device simply clicks onto the chain, and once it's on the chain, just make sure it's free to move back and forth. You will click the retention arm into that front housing, and then there are two retention devices that hold the device to the chain itself, keeps it from getting knocked off on rough terrain.
CycleClick, the power meter that installs in seconds, costs a fraction of traditional systems, and gives you the insights the pros rely on.
The device is connected. You can see it sits on the chain. Now I'm going to turn on the device. The LEDs here are going to come up. We're waiting for auto zeroing. Now it's auto zeroed. You can see the numbers are going up. That's the cadence, and that's the power in watts.
Lightweight, easy to install. Swap it between all your bikes in seconds. No tools needed.
So here we're putting mud on the chain. We'll see how the device behaves in the muddy conditions.
Plus minus 1% accuracy. On par with the best power meters out there. No guesswork, just pure progress.
The device shaves off the mud which comes on top and bottom of the rollers and doesn't touch all other parts of the chain, the rest of the mud, so that's why it performs well in muddy conditions.
Because progress belongs to those who go further. You just need your bike, CycleClick, and the drive to go further. This is your ride, your work, your progress. Make it count. CycleClick. Train smarter, go further.